Hello everyone, welcome to this video to building workflows in n8n, a powerful low-code automation platform that allows you to connect apps and automate tasks with ease. When you first open up the n8n workspace, you'll notice a clean interface with a sidebar on the left. This sidebar gives you access to important parts of the platform, such as templates, variables, and settings. So let's start by clicking on the template section. The template store is a goldmine of pre-built workflows. Whether you're new to automation or looking to jumpstart a complex integration, the store offers over 1,500 templates to explore. You can browse workflows by AI, SecOps, Sales, ITOps, or search for specific use cases like, for example, Telegram. I'm gonna click it right here. We see a range of workflows built using different Telegram models and use cases like Google Calendar reminder system, Telegram AI bot to human, etc. You can select any templates here and you can use it for free. You can preview the template and import it directly into your workspace to begin customizing it. Templates are a great way to learn from existing logic and build upon real-world solutions. Okay, let's now return to the main dashboard and create our own workflow from scratch. Click on the Create Workflow button at the top, and this opens up a blank canvas where you can start dragging and connecting nodes to define the steps of your automation. To begin building, click on the Node Panel button in the top right corner. This reveals all the available nodes categorized into triggers, apps, functions, AI, and more. Let's focus first on triggers because every workflow needs something to kick it off. So a trigger is the starting point of a workflow. It listens for a specific event and initiates the rest of the automation. n8n offers multiple triggers types, including app event trigger, for example, when a new message is received in Telegram, for example. You can use multiple triggers, on callback query, on channel post, etc. Then we have on a schedule. It will run the workflow at regular intervals, for example, hourly, daily, weekly, etc. Then we have the webhook trigger, on webhook call. Use this when you want to receive data from another app or set up an API. We have also form trigger. It triggers a workflow when someone fills out an n8n hosted form. So for this build, we're going to use the on-chat message trigger. Ideal for a chatbot experience, this will kick off our workflow whenever a user sends a message. Okay, so I'm gonna click on on-chat message. Once the trigger is set, let's go back to our canvas. So the next step is to define what happens next. Click on the next node. And from the panel, select Advanced AI. This opens up a powerful set of AI-related nodes that let you build intelligent workflows. Let's explore what's available. We have AI Agent, a smart node that can access memory and tools, useful for building contextual conversations. Next, we have OpenAI. It includes nodes from text generation, transcription, translation, and image creation. We have basic LLM chain, a simple prompt response interaction useful for quick tasks. Information extractor converts text into structured data. Q&A chain, it's useful when combined with documents or vector databases. Sentiment analysis determines if text is positive, negative, or neutral. Summarization condenses long text into key takeaways. And classification, text classifier. It labels input based on custom categories. Let's start by selecting the AI agent. This will become the core of our chatbot. Connected it to chat message trigger so that whenever a message is received, it flows into the AI agent. Let's go back. Okay, so inside the AI agent, we need to choose a chat model. n8n supports a wide variety of models. Let's click here. You can see we have a lot of models like Anthropic, which offers models like Sonnet or Haiku, DeepSeek, Google Gemini, Mistral, OpenAI, and much more. So for this walkthrough, we'll use OpenAI as it's one of the most widely supported and reliable platforms. So here we'll be prompted to add an OpenAI credential. You can see here, create new credential, but I've already added my own credential. You can see it here. So you can add your API key here and save it. Once saved, you'll see a list of available models like GPT-4o Mini, GPT 3.5 Turbo, and others depending on your account. We'll use GPT-4 Mini for its great balance between speed, performance, and cost. Okay, let's go back here. Now that we've set up the chat model, it's time to test it. Let's save and open chat. Let's write a message here. So what's 4 multiplied by 4? So here's what happens. The chat trigger receives the message. The message is passed to the AI agent. The AI agent sends the input to the GPT model, and the model responds with 16, as you can see here. So now we've got a functioning chatbot, but we're just getting started. So one of the superpowers of the AI agent node is that it can use tools, external sources of information. Let's click on the tool button here. And you'll see a rich library of built-in integrations that your agent can call on, including ADOL, Autopilot, AWS, news, weather, web search, APIs, and custom databases, anything you can think of. So let's add Wikipedia, for example. Okay, this will allow the agent to fetch up-to-date information from the encyclopedia. So let's click on it. Let's save. And now let's try again. Who invented the phone? So here, as you can see, we have the trigger from the chat message. It will call Wikipedia to get relevant information or data, pass the data back through the model, and return a concise, informative response, as you can see here. Now your bot isn't just responding from memory. It's accessing real-world data in real time. Right now, your chatbot responds to messages independently. It doesn't remember what happened in earlier messages. Let's fix that by enabling memory in the AI agent. Let's click on Memory button here and choose the most basic type, a simple memory store. It's already configured to remember the last 5 messages, which is okay for now. This will allow for conversational flow. So let's save and restart. Let me ask it another question. For example, what is the capital of USA? Okay, the capital of United States of America is Washington, D.C. Let's add another message. Tell me its history. So as you can see, with memory enabled, the AI knows that it refers to Washington and responds accordingly. This is a game changer for building natural, helpful assistants and apps. So let's recap here. In just a few steps, we built a powerful and intelligent chatbot in n8n, used the chat message trigger to start our flow, added the AI agent node connected to OpenAI, enabled real-time data tools like Wikipedia, and equipped the agent with short-term memory. So we created a context-aware chatbot that can hold conversation. This is a solid foundation you can build on with additional logic, custom conditions, formatting, or integrations with apps like Slack, Telegram, Google Sheets, or databases. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.